Let me explain. I'm explaining because you did. Hi guys. So, hey, this past week, rough. So usually, I'm not the type that I've promised myself that I will never ever again, explain myself, especially on social media. But this one, I need explanation, and you deserve an explanation. So I posted a few days after the passing of Mbongeni, I posted a message that he sent me, right? And I get it, why there was a huge hoo-ha about it. Now, let me explain. I'm explaining because you deserve an explanation. To a point where I was like, I have to correct this. Now, here's what happened. When it happened, I was like, I don't need to explain to anyone, but here's what happened. When I got the message, when Mbongeni passed on, there's a group called Mbongeni Tribute. It's a group that we've had for the past 5 years. It's all the cast members in that group, right? So, when I heard about the passing, we were talking to the group, and I was telling the group, he just sent me a message like this a few days ago, and I wanted to share it with them. So in the evening, that evening, I shared the message. But when you search, you type Mbongeni, and then you send. There's a few Mbongenis that come, but because my mind was not okay, I just sent it to Mbongeni. I think the group didn't even get the message. Then I let it go. In the morning when I posted, I went to Mbongeni's message, and I sent the same message that I thought I'd sent to the group, just for the sake of you guys seeing the message, not realizing it is a message that looks like I have sent it myself to Mbongeni. I hope I'm making sense, and I'm never going to explain this again. But I get it why there was a huge uproar, and I am not the type. Not at all. I was just sharing how special this message was and how amazing that it happened a few days before he passed on. And that's what the mistake, that was the mistake that happened. So, whether you believe it or you don't, I say it again. Me explaining again this time. But they went for me. Mina, I'm very strong, but this time I felt so bad. I felt like shit, and it was justifiable. So whoever began to and stuff, justifiable. Whoever began to so justifiable. But now here's the explanation. Take it, don't take it. We have to move on. We have to move forward. I love you guys. There's nothing else to put Mbongeni by tell you want to mail a message before hamba. But believe it or don't, that's really pillow. And I didn't want it to outshine or to out whatever my morning process, because Umwabo is on Friday, and I wanted it to get it over and done with. So Tara, I was going to close the comment section, but no, I'm being covered. Comment and tell me what you think. Sharp.